I'm going to be discussing addition and subtraction with regards to mixed fractions. A mixed fraction, you'll recall, is a quantity that includes an integer portion and a fractional portion. Also, recall that you can convert mixed fractions to improper fractions. All right, with that said, let me do an example. 2 7/8 plus 1 3/4. Now, my suggestion is to simply convert both mixed fractions to an improper fraction first. Once you do that, you've converted the problem into a problem that you already know how to do. All right? So, converting to a mixed fraction, I would get 2 times 8 plus 7 for the first numerator. That would give 33 over 8 for the first improper fraction. 16 plus 7, 23 over 8. And then for the second improper fraction, I will multiply the 1 and the 4 and add that to the 3. So I'll get 7 over 4. Now I'm going to replace the 7 over 4 with 14 over 8 by multiplying the top and bottom by 2. And so now I add the fractions and I get 37 over 8. That, as it stands, is the correct answer. All right. However, maybe for whatever reason you want to, or you have to give the answer as a mixed fraction, so we can do that as well. So you divide 37 by 8, and you get 4 with a remainder of 5. Therefore, the answer is 4 5/8. All right? Now, let's have you try one. Would you please pause the video and try to figure out the, let's have you supply the mixed fraction version of the answer. Try to find 3 1/4 plus 2 1/3. So try that now, please. All right, I'll go ahead and do it. The first mixed fraction becomes 13 over 4. The second one becomes 7 over 3. Now we have to convert both improper fractions to a new version that has, where they both have the least common denominator for their denominator. So what I'm going to do is convert them both to a new form that has such that they both have 12 in the denominator. So I'm going to convert the first improper fraction to 39 over 12. I'm going to convert the second improper fraction to 28 over 12. Now I'm going to add them and get 67 over 12. And then I'm going to find the mixed fraction answer by dividing 67 by 12, and I'm going to get 5 with the leftover of, or a remainder of 7. So the answer is 5 7/12. All right. Now let's have you try a subtraction problem by converting to mixed fractions. So would you please pause the video and try to solve this problem. 4 5/8 minus 2 1/16. All right, so I will work it out now myself. So the first mixed fraction turns into 37 over 8. The second mixed fraction turns into 33 over 16. Now I'm going to replace the first mixed fraction with one that has 16 in the denominator. So that'll give me 74 over 16 minus 33 over 16. And let's see, the difference of the numerators is 41. So 41 over 16 is the correct answer. Getting a mixed fraction answer, let's see, how many 16s are in 41? Let's see, 3 times 16 is 48. That's too much. 2 times 16 is 32, so it's going to be 2 and 9 over 16ths, because 9 is the remainder from dividing 41 by 16. All right, and I hope you got that for your answer. Now, let's finish by doing one last division subtraction exercise. All right, so try to do one more. Try to do 5 3/4 minus 2 1/3. All right, pause the video and try that now, please. All right, I'll go ahead and do it myself as well. So the first mixed fraction becomes the improper fraction 23 over 4. The second mixed fraction becomes 7 over 3. The least common denominator is 12, so I'm going to multiply the top and bottom of the first improper fraction by 3 and get 69 over 12. And I'm going to multiply the top and bottom of the second improper fraction by 4 and get 28 over 12. Now I can do the difference, find the difference in the numerators, and then I'll be happy. So I get 41 over 12, which is the answer. And let me also give you the mixed fraction version. So 3 and 5 over 12. 3 and 5/12 is the answer. So to repeat, if you convert to improper fractions, then everything is in a form that you know how to do already, hopefully.